Hoy hablamos de la palabra hasta. Today we're talking about the word hasta. Here's the thing, if you want your Spanish to sound more natural, you have to learn how native speakers use this tiny word. There's no way around it, but here's the truth. To use hasta well, you don't need to memorize long grammar charts. You don't even need years of extra practice with this word. All you need to know are 7 easy uses. If you can understand these 7 uses and why they work so well, you can literally level up your Spanish overnight. So in this video, I'm going to break down each one, give you real life examples, and show you how to use them right away. By the way, soy Profe Omar, and I've been teaching Spanish for 25 years, and now I help busy adults just like you go from hola to full-blown conversations in Espanol without the added stress. Now let's get into the hasta plus 2 method, which is all you need to unlock 7 powerful uses of the word hasta. Now this video comes from a request by a viewer on the different uses, so I said, why not? Let's record something to help a lot of people actually understand what hasta can actually mean in different expressions. Bueno, primero tenemos la H. Now we have the H in the hasta plus 2 method. Let's take a look. En la primera situación, in the first situation, we're going to say that the H stands for hour or time. In other words, until a moment. Let's break it down a little bit more. Por ejemplo, tenemos la tienda está abierta hasta las 8. La tienda está abierta hasta las 8. The store is open until 8 o'clock. Otro ejemplo. Trabajé hasta medianoche. Trabajé hasta medianoche. I worked until midnight. Otro ejemplo. Dormí hasta tarde el sábado. Dormí hasta tarde el sábado. I slept in late on Saturday. Entonces aquí la palabra hasta significa until. So what's our takeaway here? H can equal hour or time. Anytime you're talking about something that continues up to a point, vamos a usar la palabra hasta. Ok, vamos a continuar y la próxima letra que tenemos es la A. The next letter that we have is the letter A. And this A is going to stand for area or place up to a location. Let's break it down. Aquí tenemos un ejemplo. Caminamos hasta el parque. Caminamos hasta el parque. We walked up to the park. I know some people might not say that, but it's a thing. We walked up to the park. Otro ejemplo. Maneja hasta la esquina y dobla a la derecha. Maneja hasta la esquina y dobla a la derecha. Drive up to the corner and take a right or turn right. Otro ejemplo. El río llega hasta el pueblo. El río llega hasta el pueblo. In English, the river reaches up to the town. Use this when you want to show movement toward a physical end or point. So what's the takeaway? A for area equals place. Con la S, vamos a usar la S for so far or limit, which means like to the point of something. Take a look. Me reí hasta llorar. Me reí hasta llorar. In English, I laugh until I cried. It's getting you to the point of where you started crying. Now, if you're ready to go deeper, I want to encourage you to join the Spanish Made Simple Challenge. In just 5 days, I'll help you go from scattered words to full conversations with confidence. And if you decide to join me, I want to encourage you to register for the VIP option. That's where you're going to get a full hour before the actual challenge with me to ask any questions that you have, and I can give you strategies to help you continue on your language journey con Español. I'm answering questions, we're doing live practice, we're doing breakdowns of certain words or phrases that you don't understand. We're getting it all in these 5 days of the Spanish Made Simple Challenge. And I can even show you how to put pieces like hasta into real use. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Otro ejemplo. Comí hasta sentirme lleno. Comí hasta sentirme lleno. I ate until I was full, or I ate until I felt full. Y el último ejemplo con ese. Estudié hasta entender la lección. Estudié hasta entender la lección. I studied until I understood the lesson. So the takeaway here is the S in hasta can be so far as in a limit. How far did something go? Hasta marks that line. Okay, so limits are one thing, right? We've understood that so far. But what about a surprise? That's where the T comes in. Mira, the T is to show surprises, which equals even. Let's break it down a little bit. Por ejemplo, hasta los niños entendieron la película. Hasta los niños entendieron la película. Even the kids understood the movie. Otro ejemplo. Hasta mi perro sabe abrir la puerta. Hasta mi perro sabe abrir la puerta. Even my dog knows how to open the door. El último ejemplo. Hasta yo puedo hacerlo. Hasta yo puedo hacerlo. Even I can do it. Entonces, the T in hasta shows us a surprise. Something that you're not really expecting. So in this format, in English, the hasta would mean something equivalent to the word even in estos ejemplos. Okay, la última A in hasta. Check it out. Hasta que, until something happens. Let's break it down. Mira este ejemplo. No salgas hasta que termine de llover. No salgas hasta que termine de llover. Don't leave until it finishes raining. Otro ejemplo. Espérame aquí hasta que regrese. Wait for me here until I get back. Y el último ejemplo. No comas hasta que yo llegue. No comas hasta que yo llegue. Don't eat until I arrive. Or don't eat until I get there. So in this situation, there's some uncertainty or there is a request being made. For those people that know grammar en español, estamos hablando de subjuntivo, el modo subjuntivo. But if you don't know what that is, don't even worry about it. Just follow the format of the method here and you'll be good to go. So in this situation, you don't need to worry about the subjunctive because it is a sticky situation. Because by the end, the +2 will show you how hasta makes grammar easier than it actually looks. So check it out. We've got hasta plus the 2, right? Hasta +2 method. That's what it's called. Hasta +2 method, right? So the first one of the +2 is farewells or goodbyes, despedidas in español. By the way, if you like learning Spanish with real phrases that you can use in daily conversations, I've got something for you. My Power Phrase Pack is a paid resource which is full of everyday expressions that save you from sounding like a textbook. You can grab it from the link in the description below and start using these real life phrases right away. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Aquí tenemos hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Farewell, goodbye. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta la próxima. See you the next time. Or until the next time. Either way you want to look at it. And even some playful ones that you have. Hasta luego, cocodrilo. And we can also add in days of the week. Hasta lunes. Hasta martes. Hasta viernes. See you on whatever day of the week it is. So notice how you are able to take out words and then utilize a day of the week. So simple. So this is probably one of the easiest wins when it comes to using la palabra hasta. Why? ¿Por qué? Every time you say goodbye, just reach for a hasta phrase. This makes it super easy. And so now you don't have to just use adios or ciao. You can mix it up. Okay, the next +1 in the hasta +2 method, check it out. Idiomatic expressions and emphatic uses. What the heck does that mean? Doesn't really matter. Let's check out some examples. Vamos a mirar aquí. Voy a defender mi sueño hasta la muerte. Now you can just tell that sounds like this guy's full of energy. Voy a defender mi sueño hasta la muerte. I'm going to defend my dream until the death. I know, super exaggerated, super dramatic, but that's how you can use it here. Otro ejemplo. Siguió luchando hasta el final. Siguió luchando hasta el final. He kept fighting until the end. Feeling, empathy, right? You're using it in a certain dramatic way. Y el último ejemplo. Se comió la pizza hasta la última migaja. Se comió la pizza hasta la última migaja. He ate all of the pizza down to the last crumb. Right? That's giving us a little expression there. Down to the last crumb. So, what have we learned in the second +1 of the hasta +2 method? Check it out. These make your Spanish sound natural, colorful, and even dramatic. So how versatile really is the word hasta? Take a look. With the hasta +2 method, you now have a full toolkit to make your Spanish flow. So before I land the plane, hoy repasamos lo que aprendimos sobre los usos de la palabra hasta. Today we review what we learned about the uses of the word hasta in español. Por ejemplo, mira, aprendimos the hasta plus two method. H, hours or time. La primera A, área, place, area, place. La S, so far as in a limit. The T, to show surprise. The word even is included in the phrase in inglés. Y la A final, hasta que, until something happens. And our plus twos, the first one, farewells, goodbyes, despedidas. And the second plus one, idiomatic expressions and emphatic uses. I always like to leave you with a Profe Power Tip, and today's Profe Power Tip is this. Anytime you learn a new hasta phrase, build your own practice chain. Check it out. The chain method locks hasta plus two in your brain. By doing this, you stop memorizing single words and start thinking in patterns. That's how fluency grows. Ahora te toca a ti. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite hasta phrase? Put it down in the comment section below. And of course, if you gain value from today's video, be sure to like it, hype it, and share it with another person that's trying to take their Spanish to the next level. Now, if you understand hasta in the many different ways that we can use it in Espanol, you want to check out this video right here where I break down how to use a, en, and de in a conversation, and I'll see you over there. Soy Profe Omar, your guide to how to speak Spanish now. Nos vemos.